To make the crown, take a piece of paper, fold it in half. Now draw the shape as shown. Cut the shape. The template is ready. Now take a piece of paper in any color of your choice and trace the template. Then cut on the marked line to get the crown base. Now cut a piece of foam sheet in this shape and glue it on the crown base. I am using silver color foam sheet. Now cut green, golden and red color foam sheet in leaf shape and glue them to the crown base as shown. Now place the crown upside down. Add double thread to it using masking tape. You may also glue a piece of paper instead of using masking tape. If the masking tape is visible from the front, cut the same as shown. Krishna crown is ready. Now let's make the flute. Take a piece of paper and roll it using a pencil as shown. I am using A4 size paper here. Once you reach the end, secure it with glue. Take another piece of paper and roll it on top of the roll which we just made. Once you reach the end, secure it with glue. Now repeat the same process with another piece of paper as shown. Here I am using total 3 A4 size papers. After rolling all 3 papers, it will look like this. Next step is to cut the sides to get the desired size. To decorate the flute, I have added pom-poms and beads to a thread. Now insert the thread in one side of the flute as shown and take 2 pieces of small paper circles. Glue these circles on the side of the flute. To display the holes of the flute, I am using 6 small red glitter foam circles. Glue these circles to the flute as shown. Flute is ready. Now let's make the armband and wristband. Cut 2 such shapes from glitter foam sheet to make the base. I am taking 2 leaf shapes in red and yellow. Glue these to the green base. Repeat the same to the other base. Now flip the band base upside down. On the back, add double thread using masking tape as shown. Cut the masking tape visible from the front. Now repeat the same for the other band as well. It's ready. These can be used as both armbands as well as wristbands or bracelets. Let's make the waist belt next. To make the waist belt, take a piece of paper and draw the design. I am using an A4 sheet and washi tapes to make circular designs as shown. Now fold the paper and cut the design template. I have cut 2 of these. Put double thread in between these 2 paper cuts and glue it. Trace this paper template on glitter foam sheet and cut the same. You may cut the whole design at one go from one color sheet if you wish to. As I am making the middle circle golden and the sides green, I have cut the shapes accordingly. I have cut some smaller circles in red, golden and green as well. Glue these circles as shown. Now glue these 3 pieces of foam designs to the base. Waist belt is ready. I hope you like these Krishna accessories. If not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you.